And now with our show, Paul Richards, the stream geek himself, the marketing guru wizard of PTZ Optics and HuddleCam, is on the show. Paul, thank you so much.
What an amazing presentation, Gary. Thanks for having me on. Excited to be here.
Hey, this is Gary from Video Guys, teaching you about a great new product that we're actually using. This is my office. I'm going to tell you about the HuddleCamHD SimplTrack2. So this is an auto tracking camera. So what can it do? It can follow me as I move around the office, and it's going to keep me on camera, and it's going to show me what I'm doing. So let's talk about this product. SimplTrack2. This is fantastic for worship, education. Put it in a lecture center, put it in a classroom. It's great for corporate video. We're a really great fan of this product. Now I'm just going to walk you through my office to show you how well this works. Guys, there's no cameraman here. This is me walking around. This is my office. I got a lot of knickknacks. Fan of the Grateful Dead, Dallas Cowboys, Ohio State Go Buckeyes, my New York Mets, my New York Islanders, and now we're actually going to go on to the show. So let me show you a little secret about my office, and that is I got a secret door, and I can go right into the studio from here. So let's go on with the show, and we're going to talk to Paul Richards from PTZ Optics all about this product and about the new joystick, the Super Joy. See you inside, folks.
Woohoo! So I've actually got two HuddleCamHD SimplTrack2s connected right now. So I have this one here that we use for live streaming, right? Professional video productions where it just gives my presentation a little bit of movement. I can go wherever I want and the camera will follow me, but we actually use this camera really as like an eye level, as if I had a cameraman in my production studio. And if you watch really high-end productions, John Oliver's show, Bill Maher, all these different television shows, they have a cameraman that follows their every movement. And so we like to just have this one to kind of be our simple cameraman, as if we had a real human that would have a salary and benefits and everything, literally operating camera right here in our studio. Now, our next camera that I have here, this is the SimpleTrack in a more lecture capture scenario where you want to have a little bit more headroom. And the reason why that is because in a lot of schools, in a lot of locations, they want to make sure that the whiteboard, whether it's top and bottom on a whiteboard, is always captured. And so that's one of the things we've made a lot better with the SimplTrack2. This one right here.
Yeah.
So this is the SimplTrack2, and I just wanted to show the back of this camera. So one big upgrade that we made is everybody wanted USB connectivity because they just want to plug it into their computer with Zoom, Blackboard, Moodle, the learning management systems, and it just works. It's just a very high, powerful webcam. But SDI was important because we wanted our customers to be able to have a 100-foot run in a big space. And a lot of lecture capture systems from Echo 360 and Panopto, they support SDI video inputs. And then we also have DVI, which is great. But the other thing that a lot of customers wanted that we upgraded on the SimpleTrack2 is you can put an SD card in here and just have it recording all the time. We also, Gary, we upgraded the reference camera. And this reference camera, this is what tells the high-quality 20x PTZ camera where to go. And by upgrading this camera to a higher resolution, we're now able to put these SimpleTrack2 cameras up to 55 feet away from a presenter and still capture a reliable head and shoulders shot. Oh, there we go. For the productions.
One of the things that in the demo that we just saw from my office, we were actually controlling the HuddleCam, the SimpleTrack from the TriCaster in our studio. As you can see, it was a connected room, and we did it over IP. So it's an IP camera, which is super duper cool. USB 3, we went into a laptop and we came in through Teams, to bring the whole thing in. It was a kind of cool way we did the production. In fact, we're going to do a future show showing how we put the SimpleTrack2 on a cart with a little Nook computer and a screen, so it's actually a mobile auto pan zoom tilt put it in any room you want in your lecture centers to go. So,
and this is the version 2.0 of the HuddleCamHD SimpleTrack software.
much cleaner.
You can see that I have 2 cameras. You can actually see 4. I have 2 in this interface. But one of the best things about it, if I walk over to my computer, I'm doing this whole production myself, so I got to walk over to my computer in order to show this. But if we stop tracking on one of these and go into settings, the thing I like about this the most is you can see here that you have your tracking zone. So the green box is tracking. You have in a lot of schools and areas, you want to have a blocking zone. So if there's a doorway that students are walking through, you can block that area so no tracking or motion
so
sets
fantastic.
it off.
Or for privacy concerns.
Also, with this software, my favorite part is the tracking sensitivity and the pan speed. You might have noticed, Gary, I had it up pretty high, so it was following me quickly. But some people don't really want it to be so sensitive. They want the camera to be still unless there's a lot of movement. So there's a lot of functionality here for controlling the pan, the tilt, the speed.
Thank you for watching this highlight from the Video Guys Live webinar. If you like this video or you want to learn more, check out the full webinar in our description, or head on over to videoguys.com for more information.